In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can activate your lycamobile eSIM. And to start with, you want to head over to the lycamobile website. Now from here, we can scroll down to the bottom of the page and we can see their footer with all these different options. But since we're trying to activate our eSIM, we're going to go to the left-hand side where it says join lycamobile, and we can go down to the third option, which should be eSIM. And we're just going to go ahead and click on that. From there, we get taken to this page and we can now start setting up our eSIM. So to start with, we must find out if our device is compatible, and we can do that by scrolling down to this page here. And you want to select the device that you actually own, and in my case, I'm just going to choose Apple. So here we can see all of the iPhones, and we can also switch to iPad and see all of the available iPads. So you just want to select the device which you have, and the same process can be repeated for Android phones and also other types of phones. And from there, you just want to look for the phone that you have and you want to make sure that it is in this list. And once you've confirmed that it is, that means you're now ready to activate your eSIM. So when you've actually paid for your eSIM, they will give you a QR code which you can scan. And in order to actually activate your lycamobile eSIM, you simply just have to scan the QR code that they give you, and they will give you some step-by-step instructions on how to actually finish enabling your eSIM. And after you've done that, you will have now successfully activated your lycamobile eSIM. So that's how you can activate a lycamobile eSIM. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.